Want to speak real French from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at FrenchPod101.com.
Hi everybody, Candice here. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I answer your most common French questions. The question for this lesson is, how can I sound cool in French? This lesson will go through the phrases that are more casual, a little younger, and much more slang. They're not proper French, so be careful. To be casual, the most basic thing to do is drop the ne in negative constructions. Je sais pas. I don't know. J'en ai plus. I don't have any more. J'ai dormi que 3 heures. I only slept for 3 hours. Now, if you want to get even more casual, don't fully pronounce je sais pas, becomes je sais pas. It's best translated as I don't know. And we can do it with any verb. For example, je crois, meaning I think so. You'll also hear this contraction with tu. For example, t'es sorti ce week-end means did you go out this weekend? Tu es becomes t'es. Use this with people you know well and only in spoken language. If you use it in writing, it will be une grande faute, a big mistake. Next is c'est n'importe quoi. This is just one of the ways to say something is crazy in French. N'importe quoi means whatever in French, but in this sentence it's closer to anything goes. Other ways to say crazy are c'est dingue, c'est ouf. This is slang for fou, meaning crazy. Maybe you want to emphasize how crazy something is. One option is to add quoi at the end of your sentence. This can come after any sentence and it emphasizes your point. For example, c'est ridicule quoi means this is so ridiculous. Next is un truc de fou. Le truc means the thing, the stuff. It replaces la chose. Un truc de fou is the stuff of crazy people. Le truc, c'est que means the thing is. C'est où le truc? Where is the thing? Now we're going to go over some slang words. Bosser means to work. Bouffer means to eat or to chow down. Picoler means to drink or to knock back. Se casser means to leave or to split. Un boulot is a job. Un pote is a friend. Grosse means big, huge, and c'est marrant means that's funny. And if you really want to sound slangy, replace très with trop. An example is c'est trop marrant, meaning it's too funny. And c'est trop bon means it tastes too good. Here's a sample conversation of slangy French. See if you can understand it. T'es sorti hier soir? Moi j'ai bossé, puis bouffé et picolé un peu avec mes potes. Le truc, c'est que c'était une grosse soirée. J'ai dormi que 3 heures cette nuit. Je suis mort de fatigue. It means, did you go out yesterday? I worked, then ate and drank a little with my pals. The thing is that it was a big night and I slept only for 3 hours. Now I'm dead tired. And that's it. Remember to speak casually only to people you know well. Okay, do you have any more questions? Please leave them in the comments below and I try to answer them. À bientôt, see you soon!